It's time for a product review, guys. Today I'm going to review this. I got this for myself as a birthday present, but I didn't use it. It is the NB Plus Seed Starter Tray with Grow Light. I got this off of Amazon. I paid $17.99 for it, but it's $19.99 right now on Amazon with 4.4 out of 5 stars. So not a bad review. People seem to like it. This is the kit. It's got 5 different trays. Each tray has 12 seedling areas or cells. Included in the package is a USB cable, grow lights, a cover, seedling trays, the base trays, labels, and garden tools. This has it all. It's got the bottom tray with no holes so that you can water. It's got your cell trays, it's got humidity covers, and grow lights built in. So I was excited to get this thing unboxed. We've sped this up just a little bit so that I don't waste any of your time. I know you guys could be anywhere and you chose to be with me, and I do appreciate it. Just unboxing this here on my table so you can see exactly what it looks like as it comes, the box it comes in and everything. So everything is packaged well. It's pretty sturdy, actually. I wanted you to see here that this plastic is not the flimsiest. I would expect that you'd get a couple years out of this, and that's not bad for the price. If you have 5 of these trays that are fully encompassed, uh, for a total price of $20, and that's about $4 per setup. Now that's your cells, your humidity trays, and your bottom for bottom watering, plus a grow light. So that's not bad. Now this entire thing is $20, okay? So not each individual one is not $4. That's just the price I'm breaking it down. So just so that I'm completely clear on the price here, this whole kit, you have to buy the whole kit, and it's $19.99. So not a bad not a bad gig here, guys. So you've got 5 different trays, and there are 12 cells in each tray. So I'm thinking of a world where you've got tomatoes in one, peppers in another. You might have eggplant in some, flowers. You could do lettuce. You could do all kinds of things. And this strange spaghetti-like spider-looking contraption is just uh, the USB cable, and there's a USB port or little connector that goes into each of the grow lights. And so you'll see here as I'm assembling them how that works. You have your humidity cover, and that's where each of the grow lights will connect. So each of these has its own grow light, which I find to be super convenient. You can use 1, 2, 3, 4, or all 5 if you choose. And the lights are self-contained, so you can put these guys anywhere, and you don't have to put them in a sunny windowsill. You can put them anywhere. And here I am here showing you exactly how to put that USB cable into that so that it powers the grow light. Now, all 5 of those cables feed into one USB, and then that USB cable, I don't know exactly what it's called, plug, I guess, but that USB plug will go right into your wall or a charger cube, and you'll be all set. Got some cute little digging tools here. Don't know if you'll need those, but hey, they're included if you want to use them. I thought this was super cute. It had great reviews. A lot of times you can never know exactly how things are going to be if you get them on Amazon, but this turned out to be a pretty good buy. I was happy with the quality of the build. They're very substantial feeling. Like I said, I think you'll be able to use them for at least a year or two. Um, and yeah, it's a really good deal for the money. The only thing I will say that they don't have included is a heat mat, obviously. So you'd have to buy a heat mat separately if you wanted one of those or if you need one. So that's the only thing that this baby does not have. And soil and seeds. You'll have to buy soil and seeds. But other than that, it's all here. Now I'm going to show you some dimensions here, close up. Don't mind my messy kitchen. These are about 1.5-inch cells, so 1.5 by 1.5 inches, and that's a pretty good size. They're about the same size as a 72 cell tray, maybe just a tad smaller, but negligible. About 7 inches long and about almost 6 inches wide. And in terms of the depth of these babies, I'm going to say, hopefully I show you here in a minute. There we go. The height on the humidity tray is 2 inches, and that's great because your grow light is 2 inches above the seeds or your plants. Now I
Um,
try here to get a lux view or a lumen measurement so I know how much
yep.
light is falling on the seedlings to see if it's enough. And I don't think I had the right light meter, but this was a 1200 lux is what was coming out or being emitted onto the surface of the plants or the soil. So all the reviews state that the light is adequate, is more than enough to get your plants started. And I think that's awesome. I think that for the money, everything's included. It doesn't seem like you're going to go wrong with this. If you need anything, you needed to add anything at all, it would be a heat mat for your tomatoes, peppers, eggplant, things like that. And other than
Okay.
that, you're good to go with this. And like I said, it's $20 all in. And here's my desperate attempt to try to get a lumen reading, which my light meter was in lux anyway, so that was not the same. But yeah, I wanted to wanted to show you this so you could see it up close. And yeah, if you want to get one of these, I have a description below. I have a link below in the description for you to grab one, and they still have them. They look great. I'm excited to use this, so I'm going to plant this later this week. I really do appreciate you being with me. This was a quick review, wanted to be mindful of your time. I know you could be anywhere, and you chose to be with me, and I really appreciate it. I want you to take care, and bye for now.